Assalamu alaikum viewers. Miss Mathematics is here to present factors and multiples. We have ever discussed about factors. Today we were talking about multiples. Now what are multiples? The product of two number is the multiples. Or we can say that multiple is the product of two numbers, one itself a number and is any other number. Multiples are the product of two numbers, one itself and other is any number. Or we can say that a multiple of a number is the product that number and any number. 3 ones are 3. 3 is the product of two numbers. 3 threes are 9. 9 is the product of two numbers. As we are talking about multiples, so there is common multiples and least common multiples. We can find the common multiples of the two numbers or more than two numbers. कॉमन मल्टीपल्स को हम कम से कम दो और ज़्यादा दो से ज़्यादा नंबर्स का भी निकाल सकते हैं. We can find the common multiples from the two numbers or more than two numbers. For example, find the common multiple and least common multiple of 2 and 3. Multiples of 2 are, these are all are multiples of 2 और we can say that ये सब 2 के टेबल में आते हैं. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so on. And the multiples of 3, 6, 3, 9, 12 up to so on. Multiples of 2 and multiples of 3 में हम common multiples निकालेंगे. 6, 6 and the other is 12, 12, further 18 and 18. So the common multiples of 2 and 3 is 6, 12 and 18. Now we will find the least common multiples. Least common multiples are those multiples which are smaller in the common multiples. The least common multiples are the multiples which are least or smaller in the common multiples. And the least common multiples of 2 and 3 is equals to 6. And the another example is, find the common multiples and least common multiples, or we can say that find the LCM of 4 and 5. Firstly, we write the multiples of 4 and 5. And then further, we find out the common multiples of 4 and 5. Common multiples are 20 and 40. So, the 20 and 40 are the common multiples of 4 and 5. We can find out the LCM from the common multiples of 4 and 5. LCM means the least common multiple, and the least common multiple is 20. I am repeating again, multiples. Multiple is the product of two numbers, one itself and the other is any number. After multiples, there is common multiples and least common multiples. And the common multiples, we can find the common multiples from the two numbers or more than two numbers. And in the last, least common multiples. Least common multiples are the smaller multiples or the least multiples in the common multiples. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos, updates, subscribe my channel.